So this is everything we got. We got some mix. We got our strawberries, 2 different kinds. We have our big pot, and we're just gonna fill it up. Sorry about this tan line. I feel like saying sorry because it's kind of nasty. I should put my watch back on, but whatever. Yeah, we're just out here on the balcony. Just chilling. This is the dirt we're using right here. Just some grade A dirt right here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Get rid of these clumps, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I just want to try to grow strawberries. I think it'd be dope. I get full sun throughout the day, so this whole back is gonna be a little mini garden. It's gonna be dope. All right, sweet. So I just finished putting the whole bag in here, which is pretty good actually. And we're just kind of patting it down. I broke up all the clumps. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our first bit and we're just gonna take all these out and then just start planting them in, right? I mean, pretty straightforward. And we'll just carefully pull them out, I guess, yeah. Yeah, you can see that there's a good amount of roots on each of these, bundles, I guess. All right, so there's about 6 bundles, and we will just replant them pretty much. Yeah, and each of these flowers right here, like that, will become a strawberry, which is amazing. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. There's another. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a full row of the same one, and then the next row will be the different one, instead of doing half and half. Or do I not want to do that? I don't know actually. All I know is that these roots are looking beautiful. Sweet. All right, y'all. And then the last step is just to water. I was told not to water the foliage because it could burn the plants. So that's good to know. We don't want burnt strawberries. I don't know how much to water. I'm honestly just guessing. Huh? Yeah. We're just gonna water all around. My friends brought their puppy. Hey, Nuggy. Hey, Nuggy. How you doing? He's a cute little puppy. Yeah. So, just really, I don't know. We're just going for it.